Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my channel. Open the pixel lab, select the import button, go to the gallery, select a shape, adjust the shape, remove the background, select the red color, enable button down, adjust the shape, and then select the import button, go to the gallery, select another photo, adjust the photo, remove the background, select the red color, enable button down, adjust the photo, save the photo, select save option, adjust the save confirmation, and then select the opacity, effect shadow enable button down, change the background, select the color option, adjust the color, copy the shape, select the copy option. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.